Today we are harvesting our potatoes, and I'm not talking about these potatoes. They need a bit more time here in the soil. I'm talking about the potato experiment. 3 months ago I planted potatoes in a containers, in total of 6 containers, and they had a lot of troubles, which was my fault because they were in the polytunnel. They had not enough water over their lifespan, and the reason why I neglected these potatoes is because I was building a new greenhouse. But yeah, very interested to see what kind of harvest do we have out of our containers. We have 6 potato containers. Some of them have more compost as others. So also there's a small experiment to see does healing something for our yields of our potatoes. We will start with container 1. We have 6 containers, and yeah, interested in seeing which container will have the most harvest. Harvesting this potato is quite easy. We will just tip over the containers in the wheelbarrow, and then we will use our bare hands to see what kind of yield we have. So container number 1. And I need to be careful here because there are some ladybirds here. I will not eat a lot of this container number 1. Our first harvest. So like expected, not so much, not a high yield. They had not enough water over their lifespan, so definitely something to do with that. And yeah, so this is just 1 container, not a great harvest. Definitely enough for 1 portion for me, but we have 5 more containers, so my daughter and my wife can also eat some potatoes. Now we will harvest our other containers, and I will see you in the end result when we put it together here in our tray. Container number 2, so container 1, container 2 and container 3. Now harvesting container number 4. Container 4, the smallest amount of yield harvest for the moment. Container number 5. And now it's up to our last one. Our potato harvest out of containers, not a record-breaking harvest. We do have an harvest. As you can see, the tubers were on the smaller size. Of course, this is also to do with the effect of the variety that you are using. But yeah, sizes of all things. So this is the biggest size of potato by hand for comparison. So a few of these, more of this, and also a lot of very small ones. They all are edible. They are potatoes. Yeah, if I need to estimate how much food this is probably 3 or 4 days potatoes for my wife, my daughter and me. So not bad for potatoes in a containers. I expected a little more harvest, but yeah, due to my proper maintenance, not watering it enough, I came up with these results. So our potato experiment is finished, and of course we have a lot more potatoes in our garden beds. They need to grow for a while. I also have 2 other containers, a bit larger, and I will show footage of it. So we will have potatoes this year. And next year we will just try it again, growing potatoes in containers, because they all have advantages. The most important thing is there is food. So for now I would say happy gardening, and see you in the next. Peace.